Welcome to Fab Exclusive. Ads are not just annoying. They slow your phone, waste your data, and kill your focus. Every time you open an app or website, ads start loading in the background and using your internet without you even noticing. That means slower performance, faster battery drain, and a very distracting experience while using your phone daily. Today, I'll show you 5 best ad blocker apps for Android in 2026 that give 100% no more ads experience. These apps don't just block ads in browsers, they work across your device to give a smoother and faster experience. But stay till the end because one app here blocks ads even inside apps, not just browsers. Ever wondered why ads still appear even after installing an ad blocker? Most ad blockers only work inside browsers, which means apps and games still show ads. AdGuard works at the system level, meaning it blocks ads in browsers, apps, and even games. So whether you're scrolling social media or playing games, ads are filtered before they appear. It also protects your privacy and saves battery. Less ads means fewer background processes and better performance overall. Setup is simple and takes only a few minutes to enable full protection. Once enabled, your phone feels faster and cleaner immediately. But wait, the next app is even lighter and faster. You'll be surprised. What if your phone could block ads without slowing down at all? Blockada uses DNS blocking to remove ads across your entire device. Ads are stopped before they even reach your phone. That means almost zero impact on performance. It's simple, clean, and perfect for beginners. You just turn it on and it starts working instantly.
It runs quietly without interrupting your normal phone usage.
But the next app doesn't just block ads, it makes browsing insanely fast.
What if your browser itself was the ad blocker?
Brave blocks ads by default, loads pages faster, and protects your data. You don't need any extra app, just enjoy. Websites open faster because ads and trackers never load. Your browsing also stays private automatically. But hold on, the next one works in places where most blockers fail. Ever noticed ads inside free apps and games? DNS66 blocks ads at the network level. No root needed, no complicated setup. Just enable filters and protection starts immediately.
It runs silently in the background and works everywhere.
Apps, games, and browsing all become cleaner instantly. But the final app? This one is on another level. What if you could customize what your phone blocks? Ads, trackers, adult sites, even malware. NextDNS gives you full control and blocks everything before it even loads. You decide exactly what gets blocked and what doesn't. It's fast, powerful, and perfect for families too. If you want total control plus zero ads, this is the ultimate solution. So now tell me, which app shocked you the most? Comment below, and if you want a step-by-step setup guide for any app, I'll make a separate video for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to Fab Exclusive. Give this video a like and share it with someone who might benefit from it. And click the bell icon so you never miss future updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.